What if suddenly electricity disappears? No lights, no fans, no internet. Everything stops. But then a machine starts running and power comes back. That machine is called a generator. But how does it actually create electricity? Let's break it down. A generator doesn't create electricity from nothing. Instead, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. This concept is based on a fundamental principle of physics called electromagnetic induction. Simply put, when a conductor moves inside a magnetic field, electricity is produced. This means the faster the magnetic field changes, the more electricity is generated. In simple words, movement equals energy. More movement equals more electricity. That's the core idea behind every generator. Now let's understand the main components. 1. Engine, or prime mover. This is the heart of the generator. It provides mechanical energy. It can run on diesel, petrol, gas, even water or wind. 2. Alternator. This is where electricity is actually produced. It has two main parts, rotor, the moving part, and stator, the stationary part. When the rotor spins, it creates a changing magnetic field. 3. Fuel system. Supplies fuel to the engine. No fuel equals no rotation equals no electricity. 4. Voltage regulator. Controls the output voltage. Keeps electricity stable so your devices don't get damaged. 5. Cooling system. Prevents overheating because generators can get very hot during operation. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Fuel supply. Fuel enters the engine. Step 2. Combustion. Fuel burns inside the engine, producing energy. Step 3. Mechanical motion. This energy turns the engine shaft. Step 4. Rotor spins. The shaft is connected to the rotor inside the alternator. As it spins, it creates a magnetic field. Step 5. Magnetic interaction. The spinning magnetic field interacts with the stator. This creates a flow of electrons, and that flow is electricity. Step 6. Voltage regulation. The voltage regulator ensures steady output. Step 7. Power output. Electricity is sent to homes, offices, or machines. There are different types of generators. Portable generators, which are small and used in homes. Standby generators, which are automatic backup systems. Industrial generators, which are used in factories. Some even use wind, like wind turbines, or water, like hydropower. So next time when the power goes out and a generator starts, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. It's not magic, it's science in motion, turning fuel into power, turning motion into electricity. Want more simple tech explanations? Subscribe now.